Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks bringing you the daily Triple Q report for Friday, January 21st, 2022. Before we jump into the charts, just as usual, want to encourage you to please click like each and every time you watch the daily Triple Q report. It does help us out a great deal with whether or not we're being noticed on YouTube when people search for Triple Q analysis, Nasdaq-100, etc. And subscribe. Subscribing to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel will provide you notification each and every time new content has been uploaded to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. That includes the daily Triple Q report, and it'll allow you to see the material when it's fresh, new, and relevant for your trading and analysis. So let's take a look at the charts. They're all daily charts. On Wednesday, we settled below this formation that today, Friday, is at 371.84. On Thursday, we certainly pushed through it, challenged the sell signal, no doubt. But the market came falling back, and on a day-to-day basis, that's really what I look for. Where do we close? Not only do we close back below, or still below, I should say, that 371.84 channel bottom, but even lower on the day. And I've been mentioning 3 to 5 weeks. I think it is realistic, and that would put us in late February, whereby we should actually reach that 323.09 long-term channel bottom. Now, you may watch the daily SPY report. The SPY has yet to violate its channel structure that is very similar to 371.84. So, if you bought puts, for instance, in the 320s, expiring a few months out, on this sell signal in the Triple Q, obviously you're biting your nails just a bit, waiting for the other shoe to drop, which in my opinion would be a SPY settlement below its long-term support. I'll let you watch the daily SPY for that. But if you're just looking at this chart in and of itself, I'm still sticking with a 323.09 target that should be realized by the end of February. Let's take a look at the support and resistance for today. You can see the 371.84 formation well above the market. In fact, 366.48 is above the closing price from Thursday. That can contain intraday buying pressures, and in fact, below which 354.67 is likely today, where we can place a daily low. If we break 354.67, 350.32 is likely. And then if we close below 354.67, and that is ultimately anticipated with the sell signal we received on Wednesday's close, closing below 354.67, we should reach 342.80 within about 2 to 3 days. And that would put us into the middle of next week if we close today below 54.67, that 342.80 level, able to contain selling perhaps through the rest of next week on our way down once again to 323.09. Let's take a look at the upside today. If we happen to push not only above 366.48, but also above 371.84, we could, I doubt it though, but we could actually reach 376.21 intraday. And that is nothing more than a new descending 1/3 speed line, trend defining near term. 371.84 is our longer term resistance now, was support. Just a few days ago, we have violated it, and now we're in the midst of a 3 to 5 week sell signal. But if we push through 371.84, we could today, Friday and all, actually test 376.21, which is fully able to contain daily buying pressures. And if we test it earlier enough, we can fall back and still close below 371.84, maintaining then that 3 to 5 week downside sell signal. But if we close above 371.84, that does neutralize the sell signal, and I would anticipate higher trade into the 390s over the next few weeks, but closing above 376.21 would be a full momentum reversal event in my opinion. So if we settle above 376.21, no good reason to be long far out of the money puts, and I would actually then anticipate 392.43 with this kind of volatility probably within about 3 to 5 days, and 392.43 is really the start of a range of resistance up to 395.63 that, if tested over the next few weeks, can contain at least weekly buying pressures, possibly through the balance of February trade by that point in time, and once again only becomes a clear objective, a quick clear objective unless we settle above 376.21. I should mention, and I think I already have, that even if we close above 371.84, I think that 395.63 area is likely within about 2 to 3 weeks, but it is the settlement above 376.21 that accelerates that rally and actually reverses short-term momentum, 3 to 5 day rally then into the 390s, where we could top out at least weekly, possibly into later February. I'll leave you with the support and resistance for today. There's not much else today. All the minor points are carefully chosen, well suited for aggressive day traders. Once again, holding below 371.84, 354.67 in reach today, and that 323.09 long-term channel bottom in reach by the end of February. And that's all I've got to say for today. Please click like and subscribe. I will be back Sunday afternoon for Monday's Daily Triple Q Report. You have a great weekend.